Lovelies, how would you like to turn your phone into a money machine? Earning between $500 to $4,000 every single month just by posting simple videos on Facebook. No fancy camera, no expensive setup, just you, your content, and the other world's biggest social media platform. Right now, Facebook is not just a place to chat with friends, with fans, or just scrolling for fun. It's paying everybody, everyday people real money. They are getting real money for content. Did you know that Facebook has over 3 billion active users, and in 2025, it's projected that nearly 40% of users will make a purchase directly through Facebook content? That means more eyes on your post and more chances to earn. And the best part is you don't have to be famous or have millions of followers. I'm talking about regular creators, people just like you and me, making $500 to $4,000 in a month. I'm not saying in a year, using Facebook, the Facebook built-in monetization program. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is your favorite girl. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video where I'm going to be showing you how creators earn $500 to $4,000 monthly on Facebook with simple content. But before I go into details, I thank you for being on our video. Share, like, comment, and even tell us if you are a Facebook and if you're earning on Facebook. How do they earn on Facebook? They earn through Facebook. No, let's break it down and how you can start earning with simple content. Let's go down there. The first one is Facebook Reels pre-bonus program. This is one of the most exciting opportunities. Facebook rewards creators who post engaging shorts, videos, even if you're just starting out. You complete challenges like hitting certain view counts, and you can unlock bonuses up to $4,000 a month. Yes, Facebook literally pays you to keep posting. Then the second one is Facebook Stars. Stars are like virtual tips your fans can send you during live stream or on videos. Each star is worth money, and if you have an engaging audience, these stars they add up quickly. So some small creators are making $100 to $500 a month just from a royal viewer by sending stars. Then the third one is in-stream ads for videos. If you make a longer video, over 1 minute, you can insert ads that Facebook runs for you. You get a share of that ad revenue, and also you start piling up for your money. This is a big one because you can keep earning from the same video month after you have posted it, provided it is greener content. So I encourage you, even if you're posting, just post greener content. Then there's paid subscription. This is where your royal fans can pay a monthly fee, like $4 to get exclusive content. Just sit down, think behind the scenes videos, private groups, or extra tips. Some creators earn thousands a month just from subscription. Now that you have known, have you ever used any of this? Which of one have you used? Apart from these ones, most creators recently are earning from photos. Before, photos were not paid, but now photos are paid. This is one way, and a good photo with the average engagement start earning immediately after 3 hours. You find you have like 0.01, 0.02, and the amount of money continue increasing as the engagement and viewership of the photo increases. Then there is also payment of texts. You guys, no one knew that the text can be paid, but Facebook pays text in the same manner. The engagement, the viewership, the reach, all. But mostly, you consider 3 things. You consider shares, you consider reactions, you consider viewership. Then there is also creators are earning from stories. This is a great opportunity for creators. You can earn in different ways, like the way you can see on the screen. Stories can make you earn amount of money. Should we go to talk about them? Now that you have heard, so whether it is a short video, it's a live stream, or it's a post, it's a reel, all these ones, exclusive, they can give you money without forgetting exclusive membership. Facebook is offering multiple ways to earn from simple content. The key is consistency. The key is to know the code, engagement. Start today, keep posting, and your phone could be your next income stream. Just like it is for thousands of creators making $500 $4,000. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.